Yes, so let's get started. So in this session we are going to discuss about more detailed parts. Okay, so over here we are going to discuss about today's session. So if you are watching it live, kindly respond that voice is coming or not. Yes. So over here we are going to capture one more window. So good evening everyone. In today's session we are going to discuss about IoT for specific application of IoT, that is Bluetooth interface with microcontroller. So how we can interface Bluetooth with microcontroller, that is very interesting. So first of all we have to understand that how Bluetooth module is working and how we can use Bluetooth module for our applications. So let's get started. So over here we are going to do Bluetooth module and going to interface that Bluetooth module, and then we will use their application, that how we can use Bluetooth for some IoT applications. So let's get started. First of all we will understand that what is Bluetooth module. Yes, so what is Bluetooth module and how we can use it for our applications. So Bluetooth module is a wireless communication device. We can use it for some specific applications. So first of all look over here, see that how we can use Bluetooth and what are the pin diagram of Bluetooth. So first of all you have to see that how many pins are available in Bluetooth and how we can use these pins for some specific applications. So over here you can see there are total 6 number of pin in Bluetooth module. So which pin, what is meaning of these pin and how we can interface, that is very important. Whenever we are going to interface any sensor, then first of all we should know about that sensor, that wireless communication device, and then only after that we will able to interface that sensor for a specific application. So over here today we are going to use Bluetooth module. So there are 6 number of pin. Each pin has their specific meaning that you can see over here, that which pin is described for what applications. So now we are going to use Bluetooth for IoT applications. So before that we are going to describe pin of Bluetooth module over here. So first pin is defined over here like enable pin. Enable pin is used for some specific applications, like if you want to check the status of Bluetooth module, is Bluetooth is connected or not connected, that we can identify it with the help of enable pin. Then 5-volt pin we have to connect with the 5-volt, and then 5-volt with Arduino microcontroller, and after that ground pin should be connected with ground. And TX RX is very important because Bluetooth module is work based on serial communication. So TX RX used for transmission and receiving the data from the microcontroller and the communication will carry out between TX and RX, transmission and receiving mode. Mean one Bluetooth is sending data to microcontroller will receive data with the help of TX RX pin, and TX pin used for transmission and RX pin for receiving data from the Bluetooth module. So how we can use it, that is very interesting, and how we can interface it for our application. Then after that, I have did one mistake over here. Enable pin for enabling Bluetooth. If Bluetooth is on sleep mode or some particular application, or if we want to use it for some, like if you want to reconfigure it, then we have to use this enable pin. State is used for indicating the status of Bluetooth, that Bluetooth is currently connected or not. That is being identified with the help of state. But in generally we are using Bluetooth for as slave mode. So there are two mode of communication of Bluetooth. One is master mode, second is slave mode. In slave mode, we used to make a Bluetooth for communication only, for communication purpose, like we want to send data from the mobile phone, and Bluetooth will receive data from the mobile phone and send to the microcontroller. So with the help of slave mode, we can use any kind of application for home automation. So over here you can see there are some default setting of Bluetooth module. So how you can use this setting for your dedicated applications. So first of all, I'm just going to share with you that these are basic setting of Bluetooth module. You have to use Bluetooth as a slave mode, and these are by default password. This one is name, and this one is baud rate. Baud rate is 9600, 8 data bits, and 9600 is baud rate. Baud rate means broadcast rate. With the help of that, your device will communicate, and with the speed and data per second, that is being defined over here in baud rate. Sorry. So how we can integrate it, how we can interface it, so that we are going to discuss over here. So let's get started. So first we have to make this connection with the microcontroller Arduino. So how we have to program that is very big task, and after that how we have to build a mobile app, that is also very interesting, that how we can use our device for particular application, and how we can interface any mobile app with our microcontroller, so that we can control appliance for our applications. So over here I have used only 4 pin, and that 4 pin are connected with microcontroller. Which 4 pin are we are using over here? That is very important. The TX, RX, you can see over here, and then 5 volt and ground. So how you can connect these TX, RX, 5 volt and ground, that is very important. That RX of Bluetooth module should be connected with TX. So how you can use it, that how you can connect RX with the TX, you can see in the figure, so that you can integrate it for your applications. So now I'm just going to show you that how you can use it for your application and how you can run it. So let's see. Yes. So over here I'm just going to use one software tool, one cloud platform. With the help of that you can build Bluetooth module application, and also you can build your mobile app. So how you can use that one, that I'm just going to show you over here. So let's come on the screen. Over here we are going to use one tool, one platform. With the help of that we can interface, we can generate code, and then after that we can design a app, and that app can be used for our applications. Yes. So first of all, we have to go to our browser. Which one browser you are using, it doesn't matter. So you have to go to your browser and you have to type remotexy.com. This one is the tool. With the help of that, you can easily design your mobile app, and then after that you can interface Bluetooth with your microcontroller. So over here, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you that how you can integrate it for your applications. So let's see how it is working. So how you can do it, how you can use it, that is very interesting. So over here, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you that how you can build your app, then how you can generate that code. If you don't know anything about coding, so how you can use that part also over here. So how we can do, we have to drag and drop over here whatever component we are going to use, that is being dragged and dropped over here like this. This one is button, push button, and then after that I can take one more button, that is switch, that also we can take over here. Yes, and there are two buttons I have integrated on this platform, and after that we have to define pin, which pin we are going to use over here. So I'm going to use over here, this one is by default 30 number pin is being used over here. Now I'm going to ahead with second pin, second button pin. So there is no pin. So first you have to click over here, then you will find snap to pin. If you are clicking over here, and then you will not find that snap to pin. So you have to click over here, snap to pin. So you can use 12 number pin. So I'm using 12 number pin over here, and then again I'm just going in configuration part, setting part. So how you can do that setting, that is very interesting. So someone has asked that how to change the password of Bluetooth. For that I will upload one dedicated video. With the help of that you can set your Bluetooth in AT command mode, and with the help of AT command you can change your name of Bluetooth, you can change password of the Bluetooth, and after that you can also change their baud rate. So each and everything you can reconfigure. For that you have to change few configuration of Bluetooth, mean you have to make it in AT command, and then after entering in AT command, then only you will able to change these configurations. So that for that I will upload one dedicated video in this YouTube in upcoming 1 and 2 days. You can subscribe YouTube channel and press bell icon, so that you will get notified with latest and updated video that I'm just going to upload in 1 and 2 days, because that is a dedicated task. So over here I'm just going to discuss about the beginner, those don't know anything about Bluetooth and advanced application, those also able to program it and make it configurable. So if you are having by default Bluetooth module that I shared in previous slide, that by default you will find Bluetooth name is HC05 and baud rate is 9600, and Bluetooth password is 1234. If you want to make it according to your compatibility, that also you can make. You can change name, password, whatever you want to change. So okay, now I'm going to move the configuration part. So that is very interesting. You have to focus over here precisely. If you have missed a single step, then you will not able to communicate with Bluetooth device. So I'm just going to in configuration mode. By default you will find over here Bluetooth, and then after that Arduino Uno, SC05 and Arduino IDE. If there is something else, you have to click on this and you have to select Bluetooth. So Bluetooth is by default. Then after that we will move with the Wi-Fi and IoT applications. Via cloud also we can control appliance using this platform. This is open source, so no need to pay anything. This one is open source tool. So after selecting it, apply it, or by default you will find initially Bluetooth module over here. Now what you have to do, after clicking it, you have to see all the configuration is correct in this format. then you have to go to module interface, that how you are going to interface your module. Click over here, and by default you will find over here software serial. So what you have to do, click over here and choose hardware serial. So there are two mode of communication with your device with Arduino, and with the two way you can interface your Bluetooth module. Maximum time, if you are using and if you are going to interface any kind of serial communication device, then you have to connect it on TX RX pin. Maximum devices will be connected like that. But in your device, in your hardware, there is only one hardware serial in Arduino Uno. So in Arduino Uno, if there is one hardware serial, for that you have to connect TX RX of your Arduino to the Bluetooth TX RX, and then you have to make connection, that is hardware serial connection. But sometime if you want to connect more than one serial communication device, then what we have to do, we have to use software serial. So there are some advantage of software serial, that is, if you are using any Bluetooth serial communication device and that is connected with hardware serial, you will not able to communicate your Arduino with your computer. I am repeating it, it's very important. At one time your serial communication device can communicate with one device. If your Arduino is connected with Bluetooth, then Bluetooth is communicate with Arduino and Arduino will communicate with Bluetooth. But at the same time, if you want to monitor a serial monitor in the Arduino and you want to send anything in the computer on the serial monitor, then it will not work. But if we are using software serial, then we can use hardware serial for computer communication, and we can use software serial for Bluetooth communication. That can be done. So that is very interesting part. So we are going to use today with the help of hardware serial. So there is one more important point. When we are going to use hardware serial, then as I told you that your device will communicate with the Arduino, not the computer. At that time you will not able to upload program in Arduino. So if you want to upload any program in the Arduino and if you are using hardware serial, at that time what you have to do, you have to connect your Bluetooth, you have to disconnect your Bluetooth, then upload program and reconnect it, so that you can easily upload your program. That is very important part. Maximum time we used to do that mistake, so that you have to avoid. So now after doing it, what you have to do, go to serial over here, and then baud rate you have to select. That is by default I'm just taking 9600. You can change it if you had customized your baud rate of your, so that you can change. So after doing this, then go to view. You can change their pattern also. If you want to change color, that you can choose any customized color you can take. It's up to you that which color you want to use. So by default you can take any color, horizontal, vertical, that position you can change it. It's up to you, your requirement. If you want to use some password, that with the help of that password you can access your app, so that anyone else, those are using your phone, cannot access your application. For that you can put some password over here. So again someone asking that how to change password. For changing Bluetooth password, you have to make it in AT command. You have to interface, you have to do some changes in Bluetooth. So how and what changes you can do, for that you have to make some connection change. Then after that you have to enter in boot mode. For that you have to press reset button for continuous. So that is separate process that I will let you know in a dedicated one video. So with the help of that you can do password changing. So if you have any query regarding that I will share, and I will upload one more video on this YouTube channel, so that you will get detail about that how you can change name and password. So hope your queries got answered. So if you have any query, you can type in the comment box, so that I can respond to you. After doing this setup, what you have to do, these are initial setup module interface. So you have to remember these setting you have to do initially. Then what you have to do, go to source code. So whenever you are going to click over here, your source code will generated over here. Mean your Arduino code is being generated. So no need to write a single line of code over here if you are not familiar with the coding. So I'm over here, I'm just discussing for the beginner. Then after that in upcoming class I will discuss in detail that if you want to write code, then how you can write code for the Arduino, for the Bluetooth. So that also we are going to discuss in upcoming class. So after generating code, what we have to do? We have to follow these 6 steps. What are these 6 steps and how you can use these 6 steps? That is very important. So I'm just going to share over here that how what step you have to do. First, download the code. Either you can download the code or you can copy your code from over here like this. Copy this, and after copying it, you have to paste it in your microcontroller, in your Arduino IDE software. You have to use Arduino IDE software. So over there you can upload this code. So after copying this code, or you can download also, you can download this code and then you can use this code for your dedicated application. So how you can download it, how can use that, that I'm just going to discuss with you. Stream. Okay, that is not coming. Okay, so for using Arduino, you can come up with a cloud also. If you are not having software, you can use Arduino Cloud. So for that you have to go to arduino.cc. Either you can download Arduino software and you can go to Arduino software, then you have to do sign up over there, and after doing sign up you have to go to online tools are there, create.arduino.cc. so over here you can see that Arduino web editor. So over here you can join Arduino web editor and you can do sign up over here. You can type your username. So with the help of that you can do sign up. So after doing sign up, you can you will able to do many application over there in the cloud. So you no need to download anything. So you can use Arduino web editor. So there are a lot of Arduino project, Arduino Cloud, Arduino device manager. So you have to start with Arduino web editor. So with the help of that, you no need to install any software and directly you can deploy your project also. So you can add plugin over there, because I have not connected my Arduino right now. So as I will connect my Arduino, it will start working with Arduino. So how you can use that one, that is very interesting. And with the help of cloud, directly you can upload your code in the Arduino software, Arduino hardware. So over here I'm just going to compile code, then after that I will show you that how I have connected my microcontroller. So whatever code you have copied over here, you have to paste it. So your code is now ready. So I pasted over here. So the upper part in the programming coding, these are comment. So if you don't want to write any comment, you can remove it. So in double slash, whatever we are going to write in double slash, that is part of comment. So these are line. Comment means these line will not get executed in the program. So if anything you want to write, so that you can write that you don't want to execute in the program, for that you can write in double slash. Then these are function and library of remote xy. So you can write over here like this, and you can save also. Your sketch can be saved over here, and then after that you can upload also. That part you can do. For that you have to connect your board and then you can interface. So after doing that, what you can do, this one is my code, I have copied it and then I'm just going to upload it. But before that we have to go to second part, installed remote xy library. How you can install that library, that is very important. with the help of, if you are not going to install this library, then you will not able to access with your program, mean you will face lot of error in your program. So that first you have to understand that how you can integrate and how you can interface library. So how you can add library, that I'm just going to show you, that how you can use library, and how you can add library for some particular application. And that library can be for different kind of advanced coding, advanced device interfacing. So if you want to add library, it means that you no need to write a big code. All code, basic syntax and function is being used in your code in library. So how you can use that one, that is very interesting, and that I'm just going to show you that how you can use that one. So I'm just going to use Arduino software. Yes. So after that I'm going to show you that how you can use these application for some particular dedicated applications. Okay, so let's move ahead. Okay, 1 second, I'm just going to change it. Yes. Okay, so after that what you can do, over here in you can see, so library, how you can add, click over here in library section, and then you will find library. You can download it directly, and it will be downloaded in the format of zip. Whenever you will click over here, it will download it like this, remote xy zip. So you can download it, and then you can add in your Arduino. So after that, if you want to add any library in your Arduino, how you can add, you folder example libraries, over there you can find lot of library. Or if you want to add custom library, from here you can add zip file, upload as a zip file. You have to click over here, import. How you can import, wherever you have downloaded, you have to find it, remote xy, and then after that open it. So whatever I'm doing, everything I'm doing on the cloud, so no need to download any software. Library is successfully imported. Okay, so mean your library is imported. Now you can verify your program, compile your program. Selected board, first you have to select board or port. So which one board you are using. So there are multiple board. You have to select your Arduino Uno board. So Arduino Uno board I have selected. Okay, yes, Arduino Uno. Then you can verify it. As you will do verify, if there is some error, that you can troubleshoot in a very simple way. Over here you can see there is no error, success done. Then after that you can upload it. So I'm going again for finding the step, what more step is there. Go back from over here, and you can also do sign up over here, so that you can save your project. Without sign up you can do, but your project is not being saved. Then third step is compile your code and upload to your Arduino board. After that, connect your Bluetooth module to Arduino board. How you have to make a connection, that is very important. That I shared with you that how you have to make a Bluetooth connection with your Arduino. That is very important. I'm just going to show over here that how you can use that. Yes. So let's see the connection of Bluetooth module and how it is connected. Over here you can see TX is connected with RX, that is very important, and RX is connected with the TX. If you have connected TX with the TX, your device will not communicate. This one is very important point. And after that you have to connect, again I'm repeating, RX should be connected with the TX of Arduino, and TX should be connected with RX of your Arduino microcontroller. Then what you can do after that, you have to connect VCC with 5 volt and ground with ground. So that is very important, and these are 4 connections you have to do, 4 pin you have to use in your Arduino. If you did it, then your connection is complete. So how you have to do after doing this connection? If you did all the connection, then you have to move again in your cloud, and you have to see that what you have to do next. So let's move over there. Yes. After doing connection, install remote XY app from your smartphone. What you have to do, you have to connect, you have to install remote XY app from the Play Store. Whenever you will click over here, you will find link of installing remote XY app that you can install in your Play Store, from your Play Store in iPhone as well as in your Android phone. So after doing installing this one app, what you have to do, you have to go ahead and you have to use your device. So what I'm going to do over here, so after using it, yes, after doing it, all the step you have to follow, 6 steps. Then after that you have to go to your browser, and from over here you have to connect your device, your board, your Arduino board, and then you have to interface it, and after that you have to program it. So if you are using Arduino Cloud, then you have to install some plugin, then only your device will connected with your cloud, mean your Arduino is being get connected with your cloud, and directly you can upload from over here with your device. But for that, first you have to make some update over here, some plugin you have to add, and then only you will able to do it. So these are sketch, Arduino plugin you have to activate, then only you can upload it. So after doing it, you can upload it, and upload is being done only and only whenever you have installed that plugin. There is few settings you have to do that take approximate 15 to 20 minutes to get connected with your add-ons, and after that you can upload it. So for few more important things over here, I'm just going to show you that after doing this, what you have to do and how it will work. So after doing it, if you want to see the connection, that if there is some error in the connection, or if you face any difficulty like Bluetooth module, so you can click over here, you can find all the connection and tutorial of Bluetooth module, that how Bluetooth module is being connected and how you can use it. So I'm over here, I'm just going to show you that how you can use it. So these are details like how you have to do setup. These are software serial connection. If you want to use software serial, then you have to use TX RX in different pin, that is 2 or 3 number pin, that is being defined over here. And if you want to connect with the software serial, then you have to do connection like this. And if you want to connect with hardware serial, then you have to do connection like this. And these are connections, and these are setup that you can do with Arduino. So I'm just now going to show you more details. After interfacing it, you have to come in Arduino part, yes, editor. Over here you have to upload it. After uploading this program, because right now I have not activated these add-ons over here, I have to do it again. This board is coming, so Arduino Uno, but port is not shown over here. So there are a few more board also you can connect, but these are for advanced plan. If you are having a advanced licensed cloud server or Arduino membership, then only you will able to use it. So you can use Arduino Uno over here, because that is already we have selected. Then after that you have to select your port. So port is currently not coming because we have to go to add-on. For there you can go to help, and over there you can find troubleshooting. So Arduino create plugin you have to download for Windows, Chrome, OS, whatever you are using, and then you can use it. Supported for the flowing browser, Chrome, data stable, and other also. So after doing it, you have to install it, and then you can run it in your PC. So how you can use it after that? After doing it, you have to connect your mobile phone. First of all, you have to connect your Bluetooth connection after uploading it, and then you have to run it. How you can run it, how it will look like, that I'm just showing you over here more, because over here I'm not able to show you the mobile phone right now. That I will show you. Yes. So after doing it, we have to come to connection. You have to connect this connection, and after making connection, you can go to your mobile phone and install that Remote XY app. In your Remote XY app, there you will find that your device is connected, and in your device, how you will connect your device? First of all, there will be one option at the right corner, that is plus button. You have to click over there in that plus button, and in plus button, what you can do, in plus button you will find lot of devices over there. In one device you have to select Arduino, and in Bluetooth wireless communication you will find over there, Bluetooth BLE you will find over there, that you no need to connect. For that I'm just showing you one tutorial over here, quick start Arduino Bluetooth. So you have created your app, it would be look like this. You have to make connection, then go to your app. So these are very important point. After doing connection, after uploading it, you did it, these are step is shown over here in detail. You have to click on plus button, and you will find let me come to screen. After doing it, I'm just showing you steps that how you can use. Yes, so you can see all these steps over here. So how you will find these steps? You have to go to examples over here, how it work, and quick start, and over here I have shown Arduino Uno plus Bluetooth, and these are all steps that how you have to interface it, how you have to connect it, and these are the connection. After making connection, you have to go to 6 number step. So 6 number step, you will find your app. Whenever you will open your Remote XY app, it will be look like this. So how you will use it, that is very important. So after connecting it, just going to connect my mobile phone. Yes, after connecting it, you have to select Bluetooth, then you have to select SC05. This device, if you will find only and only one whenever you have connected your Bluetooth with your Arduino, and after that you have to go to your mobile Bluetooth, and over there you will find your Bluetooth, one Bluetooth, and you have to interface your Bluetooth with the password of 125 012345, and after doing it, you will able to interface it. Yes, so as you will interface first of all with mobile phone with Bluetooth activation, then you will find this HC05 or whatever Bluetooth name you are having. You have to click it over here, and after clicking it, it will be get connected, and you will find web interface or your app interface, whatever you have created over there in the cloud. That app, same app you will find over here. With the help of these buttons, you will able to control your devices, so that you can do with the help of that. So I'm just connecting my mobile phone so that you will able to access that part. Yes, so I'm just going to connect it so that you can use for your applications. So this is all about Bluetooth. You can interface your Bluetooth in a very simple way if you don't know about the coding, and after that we will discuss in detail that how you can do programming of Bluetooth module for some particular dedicated applications. So that we are going to discuss in few upcoming sessions. So this one is all about today's session. If you have any kind of doubt, any kind of queries, that you can ask right now from over here. Yes, I'm just going to my app. So how it will look like this, I'm just going to open my app in remote XY. You can see app. 1 second, I'm just make it. So app, how app would be look like, I'm just showing you. See on the screen that how app is looking like this. So over here I'm just going to show my screen of mobile. So the app will be look like this. I just open my app. Again I'm just showing you how you have to open app. Click on remote XY app, you have to open it, and then after that what you have to do, you will not find any device over here. You have to click on plus button. You have to click on plus button over here. This plus button, after pressing this plus button, you will able to see the features that I told you earlier, that feature USB, Bluetooth module interface, that you can find over here. So I'm just going it again back. Some refreshment is needed. Yes. So refresh it. So you can share your screen also with your mobile phone to your PC. Yes, I'm just showing you it again, that how you have to connect it. Whenever you are going to open your app, you will find the features add new device at the right corner, plus side, plus button. As you will press your plus button, you will find these features. I'm going to show you it again. Yes, plus button. You have to press your plus button, and after pressing it you will find this feature. You have to click on Bluetooth, and as you will click, you will find your Bluetooth. Those Bluetooth is connected with your device. As your Bluetooth is connected, you have to click on this Bluetooth module, and your app interface you will directly get opened, and you can control your appliance with the help of Bluetooth module. So that is all about Bluetooth. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any queries, you can ask it over here, and then we will move ahead with the next session. Next session we will going to do advanced programming of Arduino, and then we are going to interface some. In next session we will discuss in detail about how you can use Arduino for your applications, and how you can write code in advanced way that can be done in embedded C coding, that we will discuss in tomorrow class. If you have any queries, kindly write down over here so that I can see your comment, then I will respond you. So kindly write down your comment over here. If you have any queries, any doubt, you can write it down. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any kind of queries, kindly write it down over here. And also there were one queries that how to change password. That video I will upload in upcoming 1 and 2 days. You will find over there in YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed YouTube channel, kindly subscribe it right now, so that you can get update about this notification. Few more assignment I'm just going to share in the WhatsApp group. That WhatsApp group is available over there, and if you want to join that WhatsApp group, you can WhatsApp me in my number, and I will add you in that group. Over there I will update new assignments, and you have to submit this assignment, and after submission you will able to access. You will get certificate also, that is e-certificate about this coding workshop, that can be given to you after completion of assignment. So thank you so much for watching.